Okay, so I am done drawing the next picture for our last problem. And in this problem, we have a lava pit in the middle of our map or our picture, and we're trying to safely cross or safely get to point B from point A by using the shortest pathways. So we're going to count all of the ways in this problem too, and we're going to start from this point, of course. To get to this point, there's one way. The same for this, and this. These are slanted ones, by the way. And also, there's only one way for this. And this, to get to this point, there's two ways. This is one way, and this is another way. Or we can do 1 plus 1, which makes 2. And to get to this point, that's 1, 2, 3 ways, or 2 plus 1, which is 3. This is 3 plus 1, which is 4. This is plus 1, this is 5, plus 1, 6. This is 5, just like this as well. And in fact, it is 5 for this. It is 5 for all 4 of these, or all 5 of these, because we can't get to this point, for example, by going like this. So we can't go from this point to this point. That would not be one of the shortest pathways, So we have 5 all over here, and that would be 5 plus 6. Here is 11. 11 plus 5 is 16. Plus 5 is 21. Plus 5 is 26. And this would be 1. This would be also 1. This would also be 1. And this would be 1 plus 5, which is 6. This would be 26 plus 6, which is 32. And this would be 1 plus 1, which is 2. Plus 1 is 3. Plus 1 is 4. Plus 6 is 10. Plus 32 is 42. 1 plus 2 here is 3. Plus 3 is 6. Plus 4 is 10. Plus 10 is 20. And for the final part, the number of ways you can get from point A to point B is 20 plus 42, which is 62. Am I right? Yes, I am. So that would be the number of ways you can get from point A to point B by using the shortest pathways. 62 ways. So thank you for watching, everyone, and have a great day. Bye.